What's up everyone, Amy here. Now, over the last month, I've been testing and using a copywriting software to help me write higher converting copy super fast. You can use this software to write amazing copy for your landing pages, your sales funnels, emails, articles, ads, engaging social media posts, and even a 120-page book if you wanted to. It's called Conversion.ai and it uses artificial intelligence to write insane copy. Before I show you how it works and give you tips on using the software, if you decide to purchase Conversion.ai through my link below, you're also going to get 3 awesome bonuses that will help you get even better results from using the software. Plus, you also receive 10,000 bonus credits from me as well. All the details are in the description below. Let's head over to my screen so I can show you how you can write great copy super fast. Okay, when you're logged into the platform, you're presented with this screen here, and each block that you see here is a copywriting template with built-in copywriting formulas for specific use cases. And there are over 40 copywriting templates for you to choose from. Now you can go through it manually here, or you can scroll back up and click on each one of these tabs for a specific template. So you've got templates for email marketing, templates for websites, blogs, ads, e-commerce, social media, news, Google, YouTube videos, as well as SEO. And by the way, guys, the AI robot that writes all this copy for you is called Jasper. Now let's go through some of my favorite copywriting templates for landing pages and sales funnels first. I personally love the ADA framework, which is the oldest copywriting framework in the world that simply works for all marketing messages. So that's attention, interest, desire, and action. We're going to use a fictional weight loss course here as an example, and you will enter in your product name, product description. I've just entered one here for you. The tone of voice is Wonder Woman. Now you can go crazy here and put in celebrity names, words like curious, excited, sad, emotional words, and it will give you different copy outputs based on the tone of voice. You go here and click on the number of outputs, meaning you want Jarvis to give you 2 copy outputs, and you will click on generate AI content. And whilst it's generating, a tip here is that if you want the copy output to be more tailored to your product, then you would go here and enter as much detailed in the description area so that Jarvis can give you a better result. Okay, so let's have a look. Attention, do you want to lose weight and get in shape fast for your big day? The photo shoot diet is a revolutionary diet that helps you slim down, burn body fat, and lose weight for your special occasion. It's perfect solution if you don't have time to work out or cook healthy meals. You can eat whatever you want while still losing weight. Desire. This diet is so easy to follow because it doesn't require any exercise or cooking skills. All the foods come pre-packaged with step-by-step instructions on how to prepare them. So this for me is more like a food weight loss delivery meal service. I'd go back here and enter in as much detail as possible to get targeted copy. The second copy output, are you looking for a weight loss diet that will help you slim down and look great in your dress? See, this makes much more sense, more like a diet plan for someone who wants to lose weight on their special day. So if you like the copy output, you can click on star. That will add it to favorites and it will appear under your content tab. And if you don't like it, you can flag it. Let's click on this and flag that as bad content. Click on submit. Personally, I would go here and add more details in the product description. And if you don't want this to appear in your content output, just click on move to trash and that will be removed. Let's click back on the dashboard. Another copywriting framework is the PAS framework. So let's click on that, and its problem, agitate, solution is a really good framework to come up with marketing ideas. You would enter in your product name as well, product description, tone of voice, I'll leave it at agitate, and number of outputs, let's select 2. Click generate AI content. All right, problem, a lot of women struggle to lose weight for a special occasion. Agitate, there's a reason why this is such an issue, and it's because our bodies are smart. Most diets require you to eat less than what your body needs, which results in your metabolism slowing down so that you can survive on little food. Hunger pains, because your body wants more food, and lack of energy. Obviously, Jarvis is scanning the internet and using AI to come up with a solution. If you want this to be more specific, you will enter in the details of your products here, and Jarvis will give you a more targeted solution here. But I'm pretty impressed with what Jarvis has already came up with. Add this to favorites. Let's click back to dashboard. I'll go to website and choose the perfect headline. So the perfect headline template is great for creating headlines for landing pages, lead gen funnels, or you can use it as a blog post title. I've just entered in something very generic. This is a course for women who want to lose weight after pregnancy. Still the same product name. Customer avatar will make it a busy mum and the tone of voice is frustrated. Let's give it 2 copy outputs and click on generate AI content. All right. Take a photo of your body to see where you are now. That's a bit generic. Lose 10 pounds in 3 days and feel great. That could be a great headline for a landing page. Get your flat belly back no matter how many kids you've had. Let's say I like it. I can click on copy to clipboard, open up a notepad and paste it in. And let's say you have an opt-in funnel for a lead magnet. You can use the persuasive bullet points. If you can't find it underneath here, just type in the name of the template, which is this. And this template is great when you want to have benefit-driven bullet points to enter in your landing page copy. Product description, I've just written it out here, so I'm not going to read it out to you. Tone of voice, let's use witty this time. Generate AI content. Okay, get back to your pre-pregnancy body weight and heal from the inside out. Or sharpen your confidence and give you a safe space to share with other women. Want others to say, wow, I wish my body was as sexy as hers. This is all pretty cool. Most of the copywriting templates that you'll need for landing pages and sales funnels will be under website, perfect headline, sub-headline, bullet points, features to benefit, unique value propositions. These are great. Consider testing and playing around with them. If you're on social media a lot or you manage social media accounts, you're going to love these 2 templates. I'll click on social media and click on creative story. So the creative story claims that you can write deliciously creative stories to engage your readers. I've entered a simple plot here of a woman who's given birth to her son 3 years ago and she's tried everything. Very short, it's only 3 lines. The tone of voice is a mummy blogger. Let's give it 2 outputs and click on generate AI content. So as you know, I've been struggling to lose weight and it just seemed like no matter what I did, the pounds would not come off. So when I was scrolling on Facebook one day, I came across a 3-step system for losing weight that helped me get back to my pre-pregnancy body with minimal work. These steps are, Let's have a look at this one. I've been struggling with my weight since I gave birth to Alex 3 years ago. I've tried keto, weight loss, and even some light workouts, but the pounds just wouldn't budge. My husband finally convinced me to try this little known 3-step system he came across on a blog he follows called Mummy Blogger. Okay, so you can see how you can get these copy outputs and then create an engaging social media post on your Facebook group, on your Facebook page. Let's go back to the dashboard, click on social again, and click on engaging questions. This is a really good template to use if you have a Facebook group or you're part of a community and you want to fire up your engagements to get those likes, hearts, and comments. I really like this one. What is your go-to meal when trying to lose weight? If you lost weight, did you have a certain skinny moment? That's cool. Okay, you can see here that you can just generate as much outputs and just choose the one that you like or you think will be the best. Back to the social media category. As you can see, there's a lot of templates like for your IG post captions. You can create a personal bio. I really like that one. Pinterest, engaging questions, Quora answers. Now let's move on to copywriting templates for bloggers and niche site owners. You'll find the blog post outline really helpful. And the blog post outline is really good for listicles or how to type articles. I've just entered in a blog post title for how to lose weight on keto. The tone of voice is helpful. Generate AI content. This makes sense logically from an outline perspective. What is the keto diet? How does it work? Benefits, foods to eat, tips for sticking to it long term, recipe and meal ideas. It's fantastic as an outline. So we can save that. You can see how awesome this is. You didn't even really need to do research. What I would do here as a tip is to do your keyword research first using tools like Keywords Everywhere, which is a Chrome extension. It will show you other related keywords that you can add into your outline, or you can go to Answer the Public, type in how to lose weight on keto, search, click on data, and this is going to give you a bunch of keywords that you can use as part of your blog post outline. And if you have Keywords Everywhere Chrome extension installed, it's also going to give you the search volume right next to the keyword too. Once you've done your outline, I'd go back to the dashboard, click on blog again, and now we want to write a blog post intro paragraph. I'm using the same blog post title. The target audience is mum, tone of voice frustrated, and let's click on generate AI content. I'm a mum who has struggled with weight my whole life. I've tried every diet out there and nothing ever seemed to work for me. I was overweight and tired all the time, no matter how much sleep I got or what I ate. That was until I found keto. So that's really interesting. It starts off with your target audience of a mum and is trying to trigger pain and agony of not losing weight. That's a great intro. All right, I'm not going to go through all the templates here because each one of these templates are pretty awesome. You just need to play around with it. But if you want to see more copy outputs, just head to my blog post. I'll leave a link to my blog post in the description area and I'll go through all the nitty-gritty as well. Let's scroll back up because what I really want to show you is the long form assistant. This is my secret weapon in writing 2,000 word articles in less than 40 minutes, and you can write long sales letters, ebooks without any writer's block. If you're on the starter plan, you won't see this block here. The starter plan is $29 per month. It gives you 20,000 words, but the pro plan is where you find the long form assistant and you can generate unlimited words. So let's click on long form assistant. Step 1, describe the content you want to create. So you want to be really specific here, and the better you can describe what you want Jarvis to write, the better results it will give you. And what I've done here is I pasted in a blog post outline from one of the copy outputs. For keywords, if you're writing an article to rank on Google, then you write the keyword here, continue. For the title, let's use Jarvis to generate ideas. Wow, these are all pretty good titles that Jarvis has came up with. I'm going to choose 11 steps to lose weight with keto and click on use this one. For intro paragraph, it's like a blog post intro. I'll click on generate ideas and Jarvis has generated some pretty good intros. I personally like this because it mentions 11 steps to lose weight with keto for women, which relates to the title we've chosen, 11 steps to lose weight with keto. So what we're going to do is use this one. And now that you're done, you click on Open Editor. Once you get to the content editor, the blog post intro is already loaded for you. Now, a tip here is that if you're writing an article, you want the outline in place first. So what we're going to do is click on Power Mode. Power Mode is really cool because it gives you access to all the templates over in the left here. And let's type in blog post outline, click on that. This was the outline that we liked before. So we're going to copy to clipboard, head back to our editor, paste it in. This outline here now will become subheadings for your articles. And a way to get Jarvis to expand on a heading is to enter 2 hashes in the beginning of each heading. Before pressing compose, you want to place your cursor where you want Jarvis to expand on the topic or sentence. I'll type in question mark and then click compose. That's really cool. We can expand on this more and say it is used by, click compose and see what Jarvis writes for us. Okay, it's used by many to improve mood and mental clarity. I really don't like this sentence either, so I'm just going to delete it and I don't know what to write next. So we're going to go to Power Mode. I'm going to go back to the blog post intro paragraph. And because we were using this template before, it's got, I'm a mum who struggled with weight my whole life. Okay, so I'm just going to use that, paste it in here. The next heading is how does keto work? We've kind of revealed it a bit here. So let's delete this. And when you start editing and deleting or adding more sentences, you need to edit at least 50% before this compose button turns to blue. Click on compose and see what Jarvis will generate for us this time. All right, that's cool. Keto has been the one thing I can do and feel good about. I have so much energy now, my skin is improving. And I'll delete this. Okay, so we can keep on expanding this topic, but just to show you how this all works, I'm just going to type in how does keto work again and see what Jarvis comes up with. Okay, so now we can go and delete that. Compared to a regular high diet, the keto diet turns your body into the breakdown of fats and byproducts produce ketones. Let's prompt it again using the information here. Ketones are, press compose. So that's pretty good. I would just keep on tweaking it and prompting, writing certain words to guide Jarvis. Next, we'll go here and just type the benefits of keto diet are, and just type compose. So you can see that you can keep on going through the process using power modes by going to any of the templates here, If you don't like any of these particular sentences and you want it improved, you can use the content improver, incorporate a story within your article, go back to the intro paragraph and see if you can use more content. So if you're ever stuck on not knowing what to prompt Jarvis to write next, just use the copywriting templates over here and then go back on focus mode. And the last tip I want to show you is that you can go here, highlight a heading, turn it into a H2 heading, and literally paste this article into your blog post. How cool was that? All right, guys, I hope you're excited as me in saving so much time in writing copy. If you found this video helpful, like it. And if you want to sign up, grab my bonuses using the link below. Until next time, see ya.